I was in our Kaisamla that the Lumba a day a year 60 years no. Within birthday or Jena P0isoned a deny or a mammy Akosua Serwaa Sebi. Sending Crofobi a cancer a Akosua Serwaa and a poison or not that the Lumba no and Yano collect na Akosua Serwaa dear won't to me Sebi and poison that. And Sembi Ababe Tuja. Amen no kasei obi one yes or ben that the Lumba ye pa chiren se mu se Lumba enim pefe se maame Akosua Serwaa sebi ono ena ma no awuduru eno moye na ade ne tena ne ho kyeye no that particular moment no enkunu no onim se o wanom ade atwans one se nkuni dia eni mfi a wodi adi de ya obenyina che no ana ma papa no that the Lumba eba bonten be kan biom sonso na ne ma no sonso ha no se ebe ya womra bonten na omekle no kire emfa nchiri wiase afa ne na se omo maame eni sa bone fosem no eno no keka bu ma wode eba be sa ebe ye sa de no ma wiase na hu se Akosua Serwaa anye sa de na nso ono de ogidi pefe se Akosua Serwaa enim Lumba awudura sebi onom ye no ehu bi awuzia ensem kure yo moto aso se wasa Akosua Serwaa yetimi che no ewoja mani honom na ye deport no de bagana kire se wonka no kure ewo Lumba tena wone ne tran no awuzia asam de ebi akoso pese o kamen kwaje nchirem hya no so sa ha eguso ye K Black Media awusa baby a wo hwe me bia wo haw ne amane kodan ne bia da eda wo so bia no bomodin se woni me bedi nkomo ye de samna nwanwaso bi aba e frene se sika kokko na gold samna wo haw bia da eda wo so bia wo hia sa samna we se bi afi wo ye bema wo hwe me wo bema sam wo pom bema ye ketwa brabaji bula matali edro bi na wo bema enye kese watimi abo adwuma so ache ewo empem ye de akwankyere bi aba abuzua no ye hwehwe wo hyebrim a ye frene se mpelifo akwankyere ana se wo betima frene back to sender onipa bi ha onipa bi tata wato bet ewo ho se wo sanity bi obeku bomodin so befa numbers na egu screen ase na woni mi akasa mehwehwe wo hyebere mu hwia na bomodin se me kire wo ne obeye beda
somebody ne ntie
you
yes
but the old boy no if interview and I said
Lumba ne obi na ye close to Lumba pa no na ye interview no
where
the life yeah madam or your life okoni nchen wo fi o na me so o twa ye ntu enye official interview o
enye nkomo aso woni obi di wo dem
yes nkomo ni obi di wo dem
see you
wo shada na wo twa
na wo ti wo no omo no ti say biti debate na o ekoso na omo say ye papa ne kan public enye de onu obi di ne nkomo
there's rumors going round say Lumba njina baby amfro do broni say oye ne wife here and I me mo evidence
but say we
na baby obejina Canada pa no dey say baby mejina dem aka o mejina bonti aka o maka me wife
but this time no na think say there na we ne ka I think someone na ka bi agi cho na ka say what obi ase na ka say public asem na wokan but we this say we dey I think say come out
public
adipa nipa no nya abusuani o ya outsider and on any kasa ye
whether public we dey we just want to
but when you can say what's in the wife
see you
yes
me pa chop fence baby ana o church na nyu
o hwe on ya the dust interview
me year me ne ti say
oh by you papa wo the dot papa wo the dot atu we me pa cho me srao we ma hwe o se ne yire ya Akosua Serwaa the same nipa na se ne yire ni atabna me pa cho what's the problem
mami explain bibi ma
me I don't need your explanation me pa cho
fine
I don't need
speak let me speak there is a difference between
so we here in say obi here I see dot kata
see you boade ne ente no Lumba na asem ne yete
yembema there is the difference there is the difference between only obi bon komo private chats, right? And there is the difference between member public. Now my bed declare say
an interview is not a private chat. Interviewer, you be able to TV so Ama Obia Shebino, it's not a private chat.
Private chat.
we have
Say
why an interview with you? Nippon, why an interview with the back
Obia Shebino.
Me paucho last year Mother's Day. Why am I wish you one Mother's Day? Last year, yeah. One or wish you one.
See you. It's
Valentine Day, Valentine Day, no. Won't go back Saturday, no. All wishing you day, so we share Akosua say, where be a Valentine last year, Valentine.
Always say why.
Although Brony, may you or something
by you cracking
because
Nipa
was I first a praise of Fosu.
See you. I am that's one in the boy.
Still, they're all cannot still. Yen yes, I had discussions, sir. Okay, Casa and just such I was obedient the old kind of. However, Sasson also didn't class such in would you be too. What's over bad? What bad dear? No business was some cows in the minty. Won't you say?
Adepa.
Adepa.
Minjina baby, my bow several times. Meba, Esther Meba. Minjina baby, Uncle can say, Mammy Serwaa. Only that Lumba and ya bibi yeda. Debia me can me so on my bibi da. And won't mean deny because obi on anyone qualatre there. Me pacho me ba papa me srow.
How can I say me?
Obetimi am marry.
See you.
Minjira baby anda enko kan say Daddy Lumba ne Mami Akosua Serwaa omu ye bibi da. Debi asem a me kan say omu ye bibi me kodu baby.
Empempenso
bi. It is a transition. And e kodu so minjira baby so on obi a won shi anda oye den ne wo nkwala miensa.
Na bra mami you home. So no
Pacho, Michimika sir.
Ne ko ha no de ne ba.
Adepa Michimika sir. Adepa Michimika sir.
Yeah,
Odeno nam. Into Odobrini Jinani Nima na Daddy Lumba na kasi. Oba matisika awareno.
One tia samanasi.
Me tiate pa no no be trend. Enyo no be trend.
Na the present na wo kasa. Kasa the present in the past.
Meba mami kasa. Sa tape no omo akotwa so eno mo yi baby a
na dey life for your life.
Why is it that when you guys are talking
it was like I said
Mami Nkase, I don't know be there to down one say Valentine Day wambo we di ya wambo do di give me space let me talk.
Mommy enya intellectual discussion mo manin kasa o kasa wie na ye wo bibi kan na yesu ebisa question
esa na masunkra ya meya
eja obetimi akasa wa we wi am wo question bisa wo.
I heard you reading many articles and stuff like that there. But the bottom line was, we all saw the tightness of the case. Up to the extent in Pu say, Mami no casting to judge no catch lawyer no say, who here say or the evidence be fee, was the embassy home puaba, but that is not even necessary. Right? So what would have been more evidential? Say, anka judge no, bema timer lawyer no ka say, me di obi ebeba no, judge no epineso. Or anka peneso. What would have been even more than that?
My maintain free one kasa. Judge ni making it clear. You cannot subpoena German embassy. You have to read about it. Untimi subpoena German embassy. Until you say yep, omo pay witness or what?
So the lawyer, I'm coming. So the lawyer also knew what he was doing. You can't say you cannot subpoena somebody.
How can you subpoena somebody from
embassy one because they are not there for that. Embassy no.
How can you subpoena someone from Germany?
Germany is sovereign country. One at a time.
I know Ghana is a sovereign country, whoever sovereign country and those basics, I know. But what I want you to know, Nise, why didn't the judge give him the benefit of
It will not work. That is why.
Why?
Because a honunya jam abrochire no ana ono omu baby obia na ade sa jama embassy na Ghana, they are not there for just our dears and some sa so omu ba be answer wo Ghana. They don't have that authority. Ntina ma me ne kan no omu ntumi ma court ono mo sa me yen sa because they are not there to do that. Ntimi pa chonje na maame aka ni nyina wo ayi ni mu ajaji ni mu ne wo kan ni nyina wo na ade ni mu afensu me pa kire se taman Lumba gina honom ne 60th birthday no wo kasa no the way na papa ne kan asem o kan asem no he was talking about his past. Say nkofo say na me yira Akosua Serwaa na de poison me who say no once the way no see phrase na asem no na oba matisika waren dey sit down or poison me. He was talking about his past, not present.
That's true.
Past no walk and yet present but anyway I know so na boa no. Enti say ye ko bangina papa Maya wo so say omo de certificate me ensa na de baaye ena maame ne se onfa original one no a wo de aye ho copy ne famra up to today yensan kai which means say
What about next week?
Ba on to me mada or the ba ho na ka no ho be chire no ho be chire no because yes, darling.
Esther, okay, dear. So want to be from bad dear. We are confidence.
Now, dear, why you copy? Yes, different.
Mine now no. Bisa say I didn't know yenti mean supina obi from Germany. No say main kind train na I wahasi. Me pacho main kind train na I paragraph 103. Or say also exhibit C emanating from a foreign embassy has to undergo authentication and certification, or the person who executed it should have been called to testify. I must state that it will be a Herculean task to bring any foreign consular officer to the jurisdiction of any court in Ghana due to sovereignty issues.
Yes.
But the fact still remains that the document was not certified or identified as prescribed by law. It must be noted that even though the German embassy is physically located in Ghana, it is not on Ghana's territory or jurisdiction due to sovereignty and diplomatic immunity.
Yes.
With that in mind, any document from the embassy should be taken to be from a foreign state or subdivision of a foreign state as provided under the section 161 of the Evidence Act. It is the fact that embassy ni wo Ghana no does not make it right. So obetima supino be from embassy ni say ombejina mu nka asem.
CEO, the word no use your heckling tax no. What does it mean in that? Like any easy.
But it doesn't mean it's not possible.
It doesn't mean it's not possible.
Understanding.
Yeah, see, so we read paragraph 107 now. Or see, the court has the right not to accord to this exhibit any probative way. The law is settled that if inadmissibility evidence has been received with or without objection, it is the duty of the trial judge to reject same when giving his judgment or ruling, and to determine the way to be accord such document when giving his judgment. And if it is not rejected by the trial court, it will be rejected on appeal This is because
107.
Yeah, so what do say?
107
Yeah.
This is see, and if it is not rejected by the trial court, it will be rejected on appeal. This is because it is the duty of the court to arrive at their decision upon legal evidence only, especially so where all the counsel for the defendant objected to them. Now, yes, also read the paragraph. Let me check here. Paragraph 160.
Equaling tax.
160
very difficult. So, very difficult.
What I want you to understand is it doesn't mean say impossible. That's what I want you to understand. If you're using her claim tax, you know.
You read 169. You read 160.
162. No, that can hold my money.
Obi mute himself. Seems like Obi my feedback. Ankwanoma. Thank you. So already paragraph 169. I say I have noted that the deceit in the video at Bayview Village referred to the plaintiff as his wife, and he has used money to marry. This can be taken to mean that the deceit acknowledged and accepted the plaintiff a year before his death that she is a wife. She is his wife. At the same time, he acknowledged D2, which is Odoboni, as his wife and showed appreciation to her. The court is of the okay, so
let me up to 162.
The court is of the opinion that the deceit intended peace to reign among his wives and pensions must be respected.
Okay.
Paragraph Ben was say Odobro Nikura the more evidence by a chain or paragraph no. So the more evidence by than
PND. Also already paragraph B judge Nika say we should be careful about where say
paragraph 150.
You better attribute to a dead person because the dead person is not here. We should be careful on like maybe I may paraphrase you how we attribute certain things to a dead person because
yes, I understand that. Yeah.
Then how then did the judge come up with the fact say Lumba Tiasankobe person peace beba among the two wives? How did the judge arrive on that point?
Or say a claim against someone. You word no using or say a claim against a dead person. And that is when we should be viewed with utmost suspicion. And it's a law.
And that's the same claim the judge is making saying Kalumba Tiasankobe peace will reign between the two women.
The court is of the opinion that the deceit intended peace to reign among his wife as he as he recognized and acknowledged both of them publicly before his death, and his intentions must be respected. That's what the judge said.
That is all.
Yeah, that's what the judge said.
Anyway, that's the opinion. That's the judge's opinion.
No, wait. Hold
on. So that's the judge's opinion.
See, we
are all learning.
Now, me who like I see video be, but as a audios be a material, it seems like, and I stand to be corrected because many evidence. It seems like I could see, I say near a course or court, it's not like that. Say, for instance, evidence I would require or pass it through the Evidence Act or the Nina court, but judge na buneni egu so.
This interview no, I don't know about the
okay. So in this case, say no credit me no judge dear me ni say judge bet me say big mistake and I'm not saying so nipa say obi dey Adiaba court no why you say now because one because per the evidence no judge nature said document be or some de bano be or no moon no kura na still na name document anymore according to the judge no and in same be one ma judge na aka for instance say be a marriage certificate or some de ba e kwan or some fashion or man fashion so mo fasa constitutional lawyer could notify the court no and a judge ni bu na ni bu so dia it means then in this case no I believe Sylvia then lawyer Kusi was let me say fair in whatever he was saying. But if that is not the case, after this court, no, and after this appeal, no, will be a subayashi.
PND. Phone said, answer Judge Biabema ruling. Wow.
That is why I'm
only lawyers, you know, it's here in chambers. It goes through a lot. And son of out. Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Me, I'm 101% say the case will easily overturning the case without even
okay. So hold on, sir. Hold on,
I'm 101% sure, say with the same document,
okay.
Overturning.
AIGH, Medasi, but I mean, can't see me. I'm saying this. Hold on. Be Mike Nabotransa. AIGH. You share the own.
What is a simple question?
Okay, I'm back.
Mike Nabotre.
PND Batomito.
AIGH, Minion, no tea the making. You share the many lawyer, mini law, knowledge, but me common sense, Kakran, Yakopon, they are done me. Any meaning, they are kind of yin and minimum in a year share. Samson Miss share be a free woman. But I can tell you, say, per minimum diomono, enemy GDM one. So we read paragraph 150 to 153. Say, I want me and fat document be I say we a marriage certificate. And remu and funny mafu be I mekan one. I can boldly tell you, say, no judge in Ghana. Me did so bit my
PND, because of
course, that's your opinion. So what you say?
Judge ni say documents now provided no. First one, it cannot be original. Secondly, judge ni say any authentic. Lastly, also contradictions. Adiane cannot be original and you're authentic. There's also contradiction. And any probative values. Comment now, so meeting in some judge and they can't find name. And to me, so catch them say, case answer na judge and so I can say, baby, I'm on the coffee any legal evidence.
See, me question me person me say, like kusin team. So, you say ordinance marriage be any marriage certificate so what the marriage certificate I come and once by some and you say for original nebra. This original no on my na lawyer kusi fan call mommy see case no.
Me say lawyer Kusi PND lawyer Kusi submitted all the original document or the BBA.
Are you sure?
Me say I'm 100% sure.
Okay.
Lawyer Kusi the BBA Judge na they decide say okay so the lawyer Kusi here and on pen science because of that or jitu menyi.
Me
and come from man one share judge list the team
lawyer Kusi the
evidence of the
but just a second. We did paragraph 94 now.
And no coming back to 94.
Or say beside the lack of certification and authentication,
or say
or say paragraph 94 or say beside the lack of certification or authentication, cousin was to bring the original certificate for the court to cite and compare. Since the court was informed, I repeat, since the court was informed that there was an original marriage, an original certificate. However, what was brought to the court was an extract from the family book. And you know, say a sanity because you did not imitate since like Sana, do could see the bad. Can see because we
MP and let's assume say Omuye don't bet me I be a court nine jantum. Okay, fine. Let's respect the decision of the court. And they say, yeah, they court appeal. So we are waiting for the outcome.
ARGH, me ba me question
We are
me
waiting, we are
me
waiting.
pacho me ba ma me bisa me question.
Yeah, if I can answer, I'll answer you, my brother.
Ma tagi u de ma me bisa me question the ARGH. Me ba ma me bisa 30 seconds me sra.
Mama Tinkasa.
Me pede mbisa yi. ARGH no. Me pede mbisa nde. Certificate na was order ban. What ko appear. Get your What urine. ko appear na. Na se wo buma wana. Wo di ko to funa na de wo your double nyin de onya walo fa na ma me ro ba bo wale.
Ye kwa twetwe no na me ya re.
Oh, they be say or the corner mujituma. Mami no say that Lumba worry no.
Mo yi ma no asem me pele oyi ma no.
Enu na mami yi wa no, mami yi wa. Me see ye di ko twetwa enam ne ya re.
E di ko twetwa nam na awe. Na wala na ma se we ke okwo wanu. Enwu da enyi mi yansa. Enwu da enyi mi yansa. Enyi mi yansa.
I did say nenye no see be di
Enyi mi yansa. Me bi so ko aka se ko so
say nenye fellow say
enwu da enyi mi yansa.
Say na ya na me dey me free so kono atem di ne basa na me free so.
Mike, nyabutre. Osoko nyabutre.
Mama mi eni di en wata.
Osoko me pamucho. Obi anye di me paso, obi anye di. Edi kan no.
Bullshit guy.
Yesia de wa ha. Me paso, obi anye di. Edi kan ni yesia de.
Na wo de me pa ko na ye na.
No, Mike.
Me pese be ni.
Mike,
Classing ya wani classing.
Udi di atam da
Mike.
Na so one can say me ya no. O ka say me bisa no question.
Mike,
omo de be kwa ko wale ana so omo de kwa ko ede o si ye ko tuka na mari ye tu bi ma so abeka satem
David Mebo ubisa question meba adipa eye twika na guy meba eye twika na o onu we dika didi atem question na obisa no we didi atempo no ana onim twika sa no question na we bisa no we didi atem no
pato kan say
o say or the certificate no ba na e court impo no mo 10 case na, and I'm paraphrasing my words or mo 10 case na or the Korea na or the Koyeden Obi kasa do Obi say or the Koyeden okay
no
then okay
Obi say no I mean Obi be di Obi atamo I don't like that
wait can
asma bi say omo kokot no ne etanye yi na ompesa kwakutu funa se no for that's the question
sharpen no kai one kanu sa masa one kanu sa masa one kanu sa
Sano kai we all heard it
me pacho
I think some women nyina no I think say was a cheeky question and
who feature let's say sorry dog who feature who feature Uncle Bisa question be say who and to some 10 case now what will be next and can make us
who no bisa awasem
masa me bisa awasem don ka say me bisa adepa obi enjina na benkasa adepa me pocho meba brand no be sa so na me be sa question there since a certificate na was work job so we go court no work ya pay na so what 10 na what we work to Lumba do fun we say we fa na we no ne nwale anade asma me can you
know just apologize
adepa we who
your question was not a fair question
adepa twi kasa no he So be can in communication, obi Jimmy bisa question be here.
Masala wala da masa me kan yo ye. E ka cha me ko ju twa na me adwuma me ye.
Now,
I will make adwuma me ye.
do I care about? Do I care about?
It's okay, Taddy.
You are from the other side. I'm also from the other side on the same platform. So you have a reason of asking this question.
Stay any bibi ebe meja na duma, we should just keep quiet. Asemba ana mempese aso ye besu sujegu what must. Here is the case say me bisa de see na ye fene say chirem. Say obisa say e can say the certificate in the bar. E wako to funu na and say be any day. Ono so I think say ebia he misunderstood what Michael was saying. So I think so far the cheeky question that will be started.
No, it was a tricky question. And yeah, no, I'm nothing of an say. It was a tricky question. And the person that answered this also was tricky. Did they all go for let's go, let's move on. I mean, I'm kind of crowd. They wouldn't that.
Adipa me ba platform no so a. Shebi Adipa me ba platform no so a. Me ba platform no so nya ntopa na me dey ba o. Eya asem ne yesi bi e ba be deliberate. To achiase. Enti misrew hwe se manka ne yi a. I'm sorry, but what I want you to know, me say, I feel say question, no, the way put the question, no, it's like or shady. Akosua man, me say one crop, no, because the way put it, so obisa question say, oh, say case ne court ne uban 10 case now, what will happen? That is different.
Let's mention them.
Question the way put the case, way put the question.
It's me pacho lawyer kusi bibi obeba beka biano so jinidi right o say also provide evidence. Yes, question man o provide evidence bibi and one yes and
the topic to buy
the topic for one or the buy
adepa me sell before say me ko unim so obi afre me wife say see say no no tie mami pani bi pa o I said no na ni agi program there be we crowd on me born in na sorry ono ko ma hada and also when no be tie program no ote yen story ni say yes e ton shop no na discount ni tu ama me ne ka no hu say yen story because ya ka tell that I don't who say yeah no friend verify say yeah
no mo kwa na mo kenkan no mo ko
ARD Esther me ba me bisa me question answer pacho AR me pacho lawyer kusi say offer or use all the channels to authenticate the document by when me sana opachra na.
Go straight to your question.
Me pacho me peso yi manu answer na mako.
And
I'm saying
so go straight to your question.
I am passer or for so yes say obey authenticate.
See you, mami musa me question no it's just simple question. Me so the one the be actually.
I made them in
mami musa no question because
okay.
See ARGH.
Yeah.
Me pacho, you've said you've said this 2 times here. Osi abusia penyi call court no go twantro. I want you to me pacho o tell me baby abusia penyi twantro ewo na yinim ewo verdict nim. Just
okay,
that. Oh,
okay,
I really need to know. Until I am abusia. The last time kind I will see from now and I was like
okay, say abusia penika say mami Akosua say wa kra no. That Lumba fi Germany abano. Osum no was settled already or the fee na Germany ni ade nyina ma no Our court no Angie and Wantum. Yeah, that's it. And now
Sir, me pacho. Sir, yanji bibi antum. Ene say enye no kreno. Unim say difference wo.
Yanji be to me say ono asem okoka court no court na Angie
Me
antum.
the
I'm
all
basing on it.
the all cano. I'm trying to say. I want us to establish something. Say o the ade ko court na yanji antuma is different from say u chantro. Unim sa.
Angie antum is different from
there's two things. There's two things.
Yanji antuma say asam can nimti ni Angie antum no. Like
Inti entro.
Yes.
Ujiri tu ze entro. Inti me pacho. Inti me so me kase ye maame Akosua Serwaa certificate ni ye fake. Would you agree?
Oh, media, I will never agree. Say you
small contradictions. No.
The next one, we answer. If you are paying
but yanjiantu
because one evidence
because no evidence no kan nyina no
even though it's true
our arena was wejai no ye maame Akosua Serwaa ye nyina anim se ampa ojai aware odensa koi but na nya abusua panyi we na e wo no oje nsa no enti na ma court anjiantu mu no de me kan what ya say
odensa koi.
Yes, you know, be out this story where
storage.
Yes.
Sir, Okase busia penny some of Oka and Ose busia penny some of Okachi El court to correct and some Oka.
Man can't say correct. Question me busa and let's go back to the first question I asked you. Me busa will say Ebusia penny, Ose busia penny court no okutwa ntro and I will say ane. A question I busa first one no more JT na me witness.
And
I will say
that's the correct question.
Yes. And I will say aseme nkra na aka wo se abusia panyin say Akosua Serwaa gya aware no that the Lumba the Germany fee ni nyina pata no which is a lie. And I may say catcher said there's a difference between a lie and the thing not being factual. What's the enemy no kind of aha it is a kan wa asem ne catcher say asem we yan tuma and no nche say we control. You get the difference?
And that's not okay. Say busia penny so the pictures because you cry and say Anjiantum.
The pictures are not in the verdict, so we can't talk about it.
Oh, what about Yabaya?
In part
the Yabaya wasn't in the verdict too.
Oh, Yabaya was in the verdict, but they frame it in a different way.
It wasn't in a verdict.
I think the CEO can help us.
No,
it was stated in a different way.
Okay, can you help me with the
statement? The storage person was trying to say, the judge did not make his rulings based on those I finna say kind of say no, but then no, who read the verdict now? You probably might find it there, but. However, I'm making any impact on the ruling, and I
because there wasn't evidence.
Yes,
and remember, I said you court no.
It wasn't necessarily said.
Fact and evidence.
Esther Wakasa same way almost there 2 times. The last time here also then. The first time Wakoka was some near Anjiantum no, and just walk with control.
Of course, that's some of the court didn't even side with Ebusia Penny. So what you say?
Into America, say yes. Into no just Ebusia Penny control.
No, but yeah, no so yeah, RGH can also so yeah correct because
my minister was for evidence, there wasn't any evidence.
And judge ne say and some no can based on
okay, you may see you may Padaroma. Judge and Janto, say on Saturday na judge and Janto.
Because nay hearsay.
Okay, say
some now walk and who evidence.
that is any value be any weight be.
No,
Sa there be adepa baby o one dey ya to wase o but RGH na person what dey baby o dey me to wase
o say maame no de nsa bae
maame no
o de nsa bae e na judge ne say wo ba no o say judge me patch hold on a second o say maame no e de nsa beja awade but according to judge ne say sana woka but wo ba no enkese wo de ensa no a o de bae no ensa no o de bae no enkese wo de kan wo say obeja o de nsa ne bae nsa ne nie but one for bibia san me make example to say papa ebia abusia panyini ka say maame de nsa ba beja awade right me ka say mo o de nsa ne beja ne na waka kire court na judge no so kire ne say even though na wo say maame ne de nsa ba but wo ba no obia wo say wo de nsa kwa say wo de nsa ne di ochidi pa say ne nsa wo di ba ye nie
o de bi o de ko
de me ka asem ne ka say besi asem no say asem na wo ka no ampa wo de nsa na maame ne de ba ye no
de me ka me ma o better example na ko asem yes say abusia panyin asem a o ka ne court ne say oh ye maame wagya aware ye nyina akoso Serwaa team no obia nim say maame no ode nsa ne koi obia odi akot case we achi bia nim say maame I am pass maame ne de nsa koi
in the 2018 letter no cry
yes in the 2018 letter no cross the count to be odi asem we achi so be ka no kura bia nim say ye maame de nsa koi so okugya aware but the entia amia nyantum ne say omokofa teacher ni ne bae no teacher ni ne se dabi even though so de ensane coin enye saa kwan no so ne fa so gya aware eno no nche se wo twa ntro RGH Jamaica na sawati asia eno no nche se wo twa ntro but processing no
me opinion is say nsema abusu apeni ko ka court na nje antum into as to how you try to that's how I see it. It was a lie. Maybe there is another
wasn't a lie.
Court
word Benjamin you in place of lie. Word Benjamin
there was no value in some of kind of it didn't raise any value to the verdict.
Enti court na nje antum de let's assume say court na nje nsem nyi no kokan antum ono akokan no ono akokan say allegedly no Akosua Serwaa mo ware ye no mo call Germany no omo ko register mo union nsem bebere wo abusu peni kokan into the let's assume say court ne say nsem o kan nyina no onje ntum because na ono ankasa he wasn't in the life of the disease to know owning that man.
Okay, started Mr. Men interrupt me. Mami you see
mama example. I say mama Akosua Serwaa ne e can say ne marriage certificate. Court judge na njantum. However, judge na ka say
Ghana for mo now.
And I saw that
the final do okay. Mr. Wan do okay. The document cannot be original. And also the document is not authentic. And also there's contradiction.
But does it mean say fake? Or you see word fake? Come on, let's not be that.
I think authentic.
Yes, one can won't mean cancel no. Let's be honest.
If something is not authentic,
you don't know.
No story. Me bisa question say what story because I didn't authentic.
Authentication.
No matter how I catch you say in a bed, you should get certain things right. A law if the judge want to use the word faker, he has every right to use it. But the first word is, you can't use it for the judge. Because
so if something is not authentic,
you can call it whatever you want to call it. Over to me the adjective but that's not what the judge said. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
And also the document cannot be original.
Oh.
And if it's a separate document, no can you?
No, now person will come out when you're
when you're talking about papers, okay, you can say be a paper being original. it doesn't mean say you fake. Copies. What I say be a photocopies. And will be a make say baby or offices be or now they be submit documents. You say there be accept a kind of say photocopies. You have to bring the originals. It doesn't mean say the other quiet no. A fake.
Adepa me pa cho. Say, or say defendant not na nye ehwe ade no. O ma nye ade no na ntumu se ade no edimu se eye marriage certificate.
Esther uni.
Oh.
Sad time na.
Mama.
Esther, when you there can abeka sa wuti ba ya we.
Na ya ka che say.
My dear, your friend say.
Lawyer Kusia ka che say. Original certificate ni wo ho. So I just say. And my many ka che say okay sadia ko fabra. But the ko fabra en enye die na we ma me no
the opposite of why do you have to find the
it wasn't the original
She me pamucho on set me pamucho bra muntie on say o present ade wo court na on I see the both lawyers for ni na hwa ade kro no I say o de ko enti odobro ni lawyer ni hu say odobro ni lawyer ni hu say ade na mo ya ba
Brenzo no buy on you mutino
it's almost to Jerusalem. No. You tell me, over to Jerusalem. And the one age.
Oh no, so community na. That's all we too.
I'm going to tackle Jerusalem. The name.
Oh, Obi the feedback about.
Me pamucho.
Are you ready for say
Esther?
Yes.
My question, Mama, men beside RPH.
Me pacho say.
No, that my men corner.
I mean, this our question. We certificate na that the MCC right? It is original. So
yes.
But okoyeno real at the bar photocopies bar. Na me catch us we photocopies we there one authenticate. So as I say, inti kofa original ne bra. Na se we intimi ankofa ma. So as I say, me intimi nka say the phrase we photocopies na wo dey aba no
a fake
outright a fake.
Oh there be tie.
So as I say,
minimum
you didn't provide the original
one. But when we say tie there be tie. On so present tie no. E see de kwachia odobro ni lawyer na man hwe obi a wo de paper kokoto a e say the other parties ni so hwe say ade na wo de aba no edimu paper
and no raise objection ni about to strike
and also raise objection said that
raise say
objection there be enimu so you say where your certificate papa
meba ye trimune de ye nyintum enti kwan no so na fabra
me pacho ankwanoma judge ne say the document cannot be original and also use the word meba tobo and also use the word say it is not authentic and also use the word say contradictions and also use the word say upon all the word described no ade no gitumu enye because any probative value no
but when you use the word fake intimate function
me pacho ade enye fake when you use yenim say when you use but me no na me catch you say wo driver's license why you copy abre na me catch you say you authentic am pacho quite or say you authentic what
see you asama can me ade babu has you me person busa question
me question no ma me bisa yo ma me bisa me dey na answer no
okay busa
me pacho wo say lawyer kusi use all the channels for so is obey authenticate ade no and also provide the evidence ni nyina by judge na wanje antum right
yes
me pacho we refi baby so a judge ne say some intimi authenticate na munya difficulties are for a certificate na Cassandra no hwe no jampo ana
and I tete me to the best of my knowledge no is the words of the judge against lawyer Kusi say the judge ne kai bi odi koye
me pacho entina se judge na kantro
lawyer kusi
me kasa judge na kantro ba me dia meji lawyer kusidi mejini di pa
but to be was wrong nin some obeka na be enya correct
me pacho
de bae no
ARGH
yeah
judge ni say authentication ni na mu ja na certificate ni mra na menhwe enu na edin ana.
Oh, some okay. Oh, the brain.
Me pacho, me pese mi bisa marriage certificate na brain member.
Okay.
Certificate na lawyer kusidi call court which is the exhibit B no me pacho when you be ahwe.
Boss, menye bi ahwe mo bu kra wo me so.
Me pay yes or no. So when you be ahwe.
Menya marriage certificate ni bi ahwe me nim the exhibit B ni ba menya marriage certificate ni bi ahwe.
Yes, meba. Was it a copy no mo de buy and no mo satisfy na say a original no mo G or Germany in person no and no mo de buy.
To the best of my knowledge, the omo de call was the marriage certificate as some fambra. Bibia all the information. Even omkoji and the Tobo Ghana Institute of Languages.
The question is say question na me bisa on say ARGH per certificate na when who know because our certificate remember say the original one in German office no Ghana stamp in so enti sa original no mo ye na ye de show ye de chro mo no mo de buy ye physically anasa mo ye copy e no mo de buy no mo satisfy ye
ana make say omo de be call Ghana Institute of Languages echo changing into English omo hear a whole lot of things.
You are not answering the question.
What do you mean I'm telling you what lawyer Kusi tendered in.
Please don't believe in that lawyer. Don't believe in that lawyer.
For me, I'll believe in the lawyer because I know that he did a good job. He did a good job.
Okay.
Me person me can say when it comes to court languages now. Bit me about say you was na entiase papa because you taking it to try to say you really English ordinary English so what they until the court has its own languages and interpretations the other day but at the other point media entiase and say well judge I can say the documents were not authenticated okay now my problem I me want to say how long does it take you? You see, I know this woman no by Ghana be Gina car so yes, I didn't know. And I was so see.
I know the ARGH.
What the media make a marker say we come there. And as you see, I'm person or more 28 a day, 29 a day. Now, sad time in auntie want to me uncle my Canada have for 27 years. Baby, our warrior Kobiano. What document no especially international cases say big cases say no.
Big cases ama.
Obi wo inside walk rampo say oba be di dance wo Ghana krom be nya obi ama. So what is stopping them? That's my question. Document authentication were brutal.
Mr. Brain.
Yes.
Mr. Brain. What I can say is they did everything possible. Omuye bibia samiti bibia. Everything it was asked, they presented it. Omu presented documents, no. Omu
presented document.
Okay. Team will be a authenticated document what Canada has. You bet me authenticate document, no. I send it straight away. I send it straight to the court. Sealed into judge
Mr. Brain, they say some now no agenda is here pushing say you na ejitum so bia ever say document e fake any omukwa appeal na omu say fake omu chin one. If she's presenting a fake document to deceive the court, then she must be arrested.
Court can say document ni fake.
See you happy na wonko one na one.
You can say court na can say a fake. You say and you authenticated. So go authenticate it. Period. When you authenticate it now,
Open say
one bet me authenticate as sending it straight.
Oh,
They
yes,
don't give it to you.
now the authentication
jail.
has been done. Authentication has been done. Done.
And so
100%.
why they're not going to the court then they keep talking about what nonsense?
Na se court no dey so moko na obi aka just moko court eh. Court no moko.
ARGH.
Yeah.
Me no na wa ha me won send bia obeka bia no some of them me screen record because anko ya wo no anko ya you don't want to accept it. I know you. I don't want to be disappointed because there be no be so yes there but you keep standing at one place.
Of course.
But then no me nka say chinchina men support to their support to I will be a bad person say men support because you have the right to choose wherever you want to be and I say their person support to but then your wadi bi o ha a factor you can never deny it. Even though all support to baby and I said baby I mean support on your fact be who prove which let me beyond reasonable doubt. I don't have any heat than to accept it. Besides say lawyer Kusi judge in this authentication is an meaning na for marriage certificate in bachelor judge nundi was a man patch or dear way and yam ready to the stand say
Papa Shika said the kind Papa Shika
CEO surprise no lawyer Kusi said your judge in the can be or the choir.
Mamin Chrawade, surprise no. And then me Chraw, Mamin Chrawade Baku. You are a brother to me. I mean, if you Mamin Chrawade Baku. The fact say, yebe admitted documents be or court does not mean say you accept it. You admitted documents say judge and a court clerk admitted, a court judge and no admit ya or accept it.
And I know, yeah.
Say I'm passing document to know how I'm the court. You authenticating a judge and I can say you know. Uncle baby, authenticate.
Yes, into a judge and a catcher say, yeah, the document. Yeah, it does not mean say you accept it. Into no raise your objection or striking it down.
See you.
Lawyer could see the document in a court. Other parties in your investigation, a punchy hole woman, and you're striking those documents and it down.
Okay, see you. Odi asomo canon. Almost try. Himself one document to me, and it's a fact.
In the court, Basa and Passos or the court.
Yes, Odi himself.
And you're striking it down.
And in himself, nobody's disputing that fact. Today, let's wait on the appeal. So I just say, the appeal.
Me bow. Appeal no say judgment we no 107 me pacho what kind dia judge ne can fa say kwa appeal no what kind
and there is the judge's opinion why
me but reason what can reason no
oh the reason there me fanya there are three judges over there yes I'm thinking so different. So I said the way I judge you be who are then yes.
But me bisa say what kind reason na.
Oh me patcho say akwanoma ka kire mo so what kind sa.
Na say o ma didi judge for na tem no ntu fi say beboa wo ma.
I know the judge atem wa asem ni say prove wa asem wo case wo ko we judge na wa asem ye wo nko na wo be wini
well and the judge no wetin go prove it.
And they will prove asem I found say ye di wa to go ma say ye di judges atem de bia nso go
and I make sure say but me baby we authenticating a document. It is what the document in the court. Not say court to force it and real. You can call us and we will come.
Yeah,
defend you.
See you wouldn't date my surprise because the like a board.
Me patcho my main cancer
see on come beginning no omubo and foot to
are you aware say what the document the evident act no say mu di fam a enye na obe represent o de be call to
no
oh yeah aware
also almost sending it straight to the judge.
Are you aware I quite say DNA wants some court DNA na enya court pe eni unsam bi ye kase ko DNA na ye send copy ni court
exactly talking what you say authentication enya no kura no enya wo na wo de be represent o de be
the back present to court.
We authenticate
Are you aware
documents
with
and
that?
send it straight to the court.
See, I'm aware. Yeah, I'm aware.
Yes, in now, why Mamos acquire you now, Mamos and the Abaco.
Ɛna meka sɛ me lawyer kusi interview a metie no ɛno sɛ me lawyer kusi na me base on lawyer kusi ne words
a business guy, we a businessman, lawyer kusi or a businessman or a juma as a lawyer. What you say?
She me paucho. On say lawyer kusi or a big time lawyer, right? Na as a lawyer no. So we client ba wo hono mo na. Say beginning would can the certificate na ekuta no no eye papa.
You
as, hold on. Yeah. As a lawyer, so he should have done it long time. Cross and filing in the case, you know.
Well, you should strategy.
Mama Esa, Mama Esa question. Mama Esa, would you say Akosua say only Lumba only ordinance marriage and now Jindi?
Because when him send my many worry bruni. And now one Osani Lumba be worry or Ghana. And one name Lumba wumi and nti broni ni mama broni ni na eden or sign man sound cranny me. And I think some mimi to me, I think that's the time in our DNA hit. As a problems neighbor problems oh my time and your ordinance marriage.
Lumba Shia Mama Sawa 85 no na one ne ba pen ne papa no ne nyaye no ho. Go check your facts and see when
ARDH
now by 85 no Luma so no more worry in Jasambe na haka no
no
Go check all the documents. You will
see what Lumba Mami, you know.
2018 and okay, me, I don't know.
I think no, 2001 or 2002. I stand to
okay.
Yeah, me pacho. When him say Lumba, if Germany be any mami
any day I don't know.
Or be any mami which is 2001. And so according to by our purported, me super purported because me say our Arabian baby are. And so yes, I'm 2004. It said Lumba mami will know what me bagana no abe na ye dia. It tells you say na Lumba or on krata.
Yes.
Because no 2004. More 2004. According to purported marriage, you know, the date is 2004.
And yes, one year Lumba krata man.
And Lumba mami su 2001 mo be ye and of Germany su by be ye no.